This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So I'm going to check this out. Got power going to the motor, but no action in the motor. So I'm going to take this arm off, pull this back. This thing hinges. Put your finger underneath, kind of wiggle and pull. So we're unloosening this with a 13 millimeter. This nut off the stem. I'll wiggle this thing off now. Alright, it's coming. There it goes. So, take this nut off next, right here. It's like a probably crescent wrench will do it. It's pretty loose. Not on there very tight. Okay, that comes off. This little trim piece comes off. And then to get that rest off, I think you're doing that from inside the car underneath the trim. Let it go. Done. It's a 10 millimeter. Just going to undo these two. We should be able to just pop it out. We got the electrical part taken off too. Just unloosen those. Just spinning off those 10 millimeter. There's two of them, one there, and then we should be able to just pull this out toward us. This cable's kind of in the way, but I think we can work around it. So we got those screws out, and it looks like it's ready to come out. Probably gotta get this little cable out of the way. Let's see. Any other way to do it? Just give it a little slack. Oh yeah, I can get around this cable. There we go. I think. Okay, it's starting to come out. Here it comes. Yeah, almost there. From the outside, I'm just going to push that in. There we go. This cable out of the way. Alright, so there's our wiper motor. We can test it out now. Get rid of this cable. Okay. looking for voltage here. Got the wiper turned on. So that's just milliamps. So between these two, I've got basically 12 volts. Between that one and that one, it's millivolts. Alright, I'm going to go to the next lead. Between here and here, 12 volts. Undoing these 10 millimeters to get the motor off the bracket so I can do some testing.
So here is a new rear window wiper motor from Amazon. It's pretty cheap, and once you get it, you just put it in kind of reverse order of the way we took it out, and this will solve the problem. Ours lasted for about 14 years, which is pretty good. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks again.